Say it. A'udhu.
Al-Uzu.
A'udhu.
Al-Uzu.
Allah. That's not al-a'udhu. You have to listen to me carefully. A'udhu.
Al-Uzu.
A'udhu
A-Uzu.
billahi
Billahi.
minash
Minashay.
shaytanir rajim.
Tani Rajim.
Okay, so next one is, let me just, so after A'udhu Billah we read Bismillah
Bismillah.
Rahma
Ihrahma.
Rahma.
Ihrahma.
Do not worry because this is your first time. That's why you are not you cannot read that properly. But inshallah, when you will memorize that and when you can recognize letters and you can pronounce letters, then inshallah you can pronounce this properly. Inshallah, say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Rahma
Ihrahma.
Rahim
Nihrahim. Nir.
Rahim.
Rahim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so yesterday I have taught you these 8 letters. So I need to ask you first, then we are going to start next one. What is this one?
Alif.
Alif. So next one is
Ba.
Ba. What is next?
Ta.
Ta. Ta will be pronounced as I told you when tip of the tongue touching to the gums of upper two front teeth. So the next letter is
Tha.
Tha. Tha will be pronounced when tip of the tongue touching to the edge of upper two front teeth. Okay, next.
Jim.
Well done. Next.
Ha.
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 Next.
Ho.
You have to read this letter with heavy sound, bold sound. Ha.
Ho.
Good. Next.
Dal.
Don't stretch letters, okay? Just dal.
Dal.
Good. So the next letter is Zal.
Huh?
Zal with Z sound. Zal.
Dal.
Good. Zal will be pronounced when tip of the tongue touching to the gums of upper two front, edge of upper two front teeth like Tha, Zal. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
Tha and Zal, these two letters can be pronounced when tip of the tongue touching to the edge of upper two front teeth. Okay, as you can see in
Mm-hmm.
this picture. Okay.
Yes.
Good job. So the next letter is
Ra.
Ra. Next letter is Za. Say it Z, like buzzer sound. Za.
Za.
Yes. Za will be pronounced with buzzer sound, and when tip of the tip of the tongue touching to the lightly lower two front teeth, lightly upper two front teeth, then we can pronounce this sound. Za.
Za.
Yes, as you can see here, Ra and Za both have same shape. Ra has no dot and Za has one
A
dot.
dot.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
one thing more, this one is Zal. Zal. You cannot pronounce this letter with basal sound. Okay. So it should
Mm-hmm.
be pronounced softly, like Zal.
Zal.
What is this one? What
Jim.
is this one?
Jim.
No, Jim has one dot. There is no dot with this letter. This ha.
Ha.
Now this one is Jim, right?
Yes.
Hmm. So, what is this one? This one is kha.
Kha.
Very good. Kha. Next letter is
Ra.
no.
Dal.
Dal. Well done, beta. So, this one is
Thal.
dal. When we put one dot on dal, that will be dal. Got it?
Yes.
Very good. So I'm gonna write now another letter. What is this one? It's seen.
Seen.
Good job, mashallah. When we put three dots on it, that will be sheen.
Sheen.
Good, 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 mashallah. I'm gonna write another letter. What is this one? That's sod.
Thod.
Good. So if we put one dot on it, that will be wad.
Odd.
Odd now is like this one,
Zod.
but Z will be bold. Z, this one will be bold. Wad.
Zod.
Good job. Hmm. I am going to write here another letter. What is this one? That's pa.
Ta.
Good. First kalima name is tayyib. What is the name of first kalima?
Toyab.
Yes. So, la ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu.
illallahu.
La ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu. Say it. Illallahu
illallahu.
Muhammad.
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 This one is the second part which I'm gonna write in blue color. Sorry, yellow color. You cannot see yellow color properly. I'm gonna write that dark red. Muhammad
Muhammad.
dur Rasulullah.
Du Rasulullah.
La ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu
illallahu.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammad Rasulullah.
So I told you, what does it mean? It means La ilaha, there is no God, illallah, except
Allah.
Allah, and Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah.
Allah.